Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Polaroid effect photo in EPIK Photo Editor. So here, I've already added a photo to my EPIK apps, and if you want, you can add an effects, but I don't want to, so I'm going to just go to template and find the Polaroid category, and here you can choose which one of the Polaroid templates that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one's right here. Just wait until the templates. Okay, you can see this is the templates, and if you want, you can also add a filter to make it more interesting, and you can go to retro effects or filter and choose the filters that you want. You can adjust it like this by swapping it left or right, and after that, here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.